Right, I'm going to add some code for the slug. So that during the game, a player, to make it more fun, can change the color of the slug trail. And then I'm going to have some instructions appear on the screen so that the player knows what buttons they have to press to do that. So I'm going to use events, and then I'm going to use this when the space key is pressed block, and change the letter to the G key so it can turn to green, and I'm going to have another one for R, turning it to red. And then I simply go to the pen menu and put one of these, set the pen color. So when it's G, I want it to be a nice green color. Let's have a dark green so it stands out a bit. And for this one, when it's R, I want it to be red. There, nice dark red. So now I want some instructions to pop up on the screen. Now the writing on the screen is actually going to be a new sprite, which I'm going to draw myself. So I hover over the sprite button and go to the paint menu. So I'm going to use the text tool here now and type some text on the screen. Instructions. I want that to be black. So first of all, use the mouse to stay on the path. X key to change backgrounds. G key to change trail to green. R key to change to red. And let's have I to show instructions. Now, let's have a new line for each one of these so it's a bit easier to read. There we go. And I can easily drag that around on the screen. I've just got to get my mouse on some of the black stuff of the letters. There we go. I wonder if I can get the title here to be a bit bigger or something. No. Don't like it. Change it back. Okay. So I have my instructions and they are ready, but I need to control the way that they appear and disappear. So I'm going to go back to the code for my instructions. And I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, then I'm going to use, in the looks menu, I'm going to use show and hide. So at the start of the game, I want to show the instructions, and then I'm going to use control and use the wait block so that it shows for 5 seconds. Then I'm going to use when the space key is pressed, but I'm going to change that to I for instructions. And then I'm going to use show and hide, same as before. Actually, because it's the same code, I can right click on show and say duplicate. And it gives me the whole block. So when the I key is pressed, it shows the instructions at any time during the game for 5 seconds. So we're playing the game, instructions start off showing for 5 seconds, press I, and they will pop up again for 5 seconds. Great!